completely but don't know where to start, then this video is for you. So welcome back to my channel. I'm Sneha and I'm here to talk about the 3 books that can have the major impact on your lifestyle. So without wasting further time, let's start with our video. So first book is Good Vibes, Good Life. Vex King shares practical ways you have to transform your mindset and create a fulfilling life by harnessing the power of positive thinking and self-care. So here are some points from this book. First point is power of good vibes. You have to understand that your feelings, emotions and your energy shape your reality. By maintaining a positive mindset, you should attract the positive experiences and positive people in your life. The point number 2 is self-love and healing. You have to love yourself if you want a true happiness. Writer explains here how you have to overcome past traumas and eliminate self-negative talk to build the confidence. The third point is mindset and manifestation. Your beliefs should align with your goals, and you must practice gratitude, affirmations and visualization to manifest the life you desire. The fourth point is overcoming struggles. Challenges will come. You have to shift your perspective. Each obstacle is an opportunity for a growth and you should learn to embrace them. So last point is building positive habits. You must have to take small actions like practicing a mindfulness and surrounding yourself with uplifting people to create a lasting change in your lives. So yeah, that's all about this book, and I think this book will completely change your lifestyle and the mindset. So yeah, moving ahead with the next book. So the second book is Atomic Habits by James Clear. So in this book, James Clear tells about how to build good habits and break bad ones and make really small change that lead to a remarkable result. So I'll tell you the 5 lessons from this book. So the first lesson is about the power of tiny changes. You must focus on small improvements every day. Just a 1% change seems minor, but it will lead to a massive transformation. The second lesson is about the 4 law of behavior change. If you want to build a better habit in your life, then you have to follow these 4 steps. First one is make it obvious, like you have to design your environment to trigger those good habits. Second one is make it obvious, like you have to develop or associate your positive feelings with the new habit. Third one is make it easy, like you have to just start small and remove the barriers. And last one is about make it satisfying, like you should have to give yourself a reward to reinforce the good habits or good behavior. So the fourth lesson is about identity based habits. Instead of focusing only on goals, you must change how you see yourself. Like if you want to become a fit person, then just think like I'm a healthy person, and then your action will follow it. The last lesson is about the power of consistency. Like girl, you have to stay consistent even if progress feels very slow. The habits compounds over the time and the real result will show when you stick to them for a longer time. So girl, just go ahead and buy this book and read this book because you have to develop a very good habits in your life. So yeah, if you love this video, then go ahead and subscribe my YouTube channel so that we will meet weekly. The last book is Make Your Bed by Admiral William H. McRaven. He shares a powerful life lesson from Navy SEAL training that you must apply in your life for a success. So here are the 7 key takeaways. First one is start your day with a task completed. Like you must make your bed each and every morning. That is a small win, but it will set a tone or it will set a positive vibe for a whole productive day. Second is embrace the challenges. Life will be tough, like you have to push through the failures, hardships, disappointments with the resilience. Third one is never go it alone. Like you have to surround yourself with a positive and supportive people in your life. No one succeeds alone, and the team will help you to overcome the challenges and the obstacles in your life. Fourth one is accept that life is not fair. Like you must stop complaining and take actions, because bad things will happen, but how you respond will define your success. Fifth one is don't fear failure. You must have to take risks and learn from setbacks. Failure is a part of growth and you have to moving forward despite any challenges in your life. Sixth one is stand your ground against the bullies. Like you need to have the courage and stand up for what is right, whether it is in your personal life or in the world around you. The last point is never ever quit. No matter how hard things are getting in your life, but you must keep going. So that's all about this book. It is very short book but have a major impact on your lifestyle. I have read it and now I have given it to my bestie to read. So these are my book recommendations that will help you to change your lifestyle and start happy positive journey in 2025. So that's it. Meet you in another video. Bye.